Hi, I'm Jonathan Todd's and I'm with you. You're awesome. You rock. You're special. You're a rainy day gal. Girl, you're amazing. You're predictable. You're dependable. You give yourself to me. You are vulnerable. You're connected. You bless. You make brighter. You bring out the sun. You scatter the clouds. You're a bright blue sky with small puffy white clouds. You're a Starbucks Frappuccino at the end of a hard work day. You get up all hours of the night to be with me. You comfort me in the darkness. You stay with me in the day. You, uh, you father me. You dad me. You friend me. You're my best friend. You've achieved, Jonathan. You, expect to be, Jonathan. You hang out with me. You love me. You, respect me. You hear terrible things. You, forgive me. You, understand. You know. You give. You connect. You respect the beginning. You expect the beginning. You take, you don't take anything for granted. Hi, I'm Jonathan Todd. I'm with You're Awesome.